Welcome to another experimental workshop where I myself am the student, so we can explore and improve our art skills together. Thank you so much for joining me again, or if you're new here and you wish to improve your art, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified of any of my new releases. Today I'm using the leftover Floetrol only mix paint from my last acrylic pour, which turned out great. The recipe that I used was 4 grams of Floetrol, 1 to 2 drops of paint, and still very much eyeing it with the water. Last time I did a FlipCup, I had only used PVA glue as my pouring medium, and I must say that the colors muddied up a bit too much for my comfort, so let's see how Floetrol does. Again, like last time, Floetrol is miles better at giving a smoother finish. FlipCups seem to generally make the colors mix more, but this time I wouldn't say that they're muddy. You can distinctly see the separate colors, but they're more blended together, more than they would be in a tree ring pour, for example. You know, I quite like this one too. If the previous one is a coral reef, then this one could be water currents. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below what you see in this pour. I went over the piece with some finishing touches, and yes, we have cells! I didn't see them at first. That's quite exciting. Although it is quite interesting. These cells are different still. Bigger, definitely, but they also look more misshapen, like they're ripping apart. That probably still has something to do with the fact that it's a FlipCup and not a coordinated, you know, tree ring or something. Then I used the torch to see if any more cells are gonna come up, and it did. It helped for the rest of the cells to pop up, but they were much smaller. Below and let me know what I did wrong this time or what I did right, if anything. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.